Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete a Snapchat account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, go ahead, access your particular Snapchat app on your mobile phone. Afterwards, all you have to do is simply go ahead, tap on your Bitmoji icon on top left corner, and afterwards you will find this kind of interface. Go ahead, tap on the square icon on top right corner of the screen. Now simply scroll down a bit, and here in this account sections category you will be able to find this option of delete account. All you have to do is tap on it, wait till it loads. It will simply open up the browser of yours, and now all you have to do is enter your username or email address for the confirmation. You can also choose to use your phone number instead. For that, all you have to do is tap on it, enter the number, tap on next, enter the code that you will get, and then you will be able to delete your account just likewise right over there. So, and that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.